Well, good afternoon. This day has been a long time in coming. I'm Dow Constantine. I'm the King County Executive, and I was born and raised right up the hill here in West Seattle. Look along this beach. What you see up and down here on this beautiful day, one of the things you see is a concrete bulkhead and some rocks piled up along the shore. Those cut off the uplands, the bluffs, from the beach. In other places you'll see rocks or what's called riprap. It's called armoring. Of the 124 miles of Puget Sound shoreline within King County, nearly 70% has been developed. These rocks and bulkheads are part of what's harming the natural ecology of Puget Sound because they block the natural sediment from filtering down to the water and providing nutrients that are essential for the web of life, for the insects and the herring and the Chinook salmon and the orca whales. But not on the Cal Portland property on Maury Island, which is in the distance behind us. There, nearly all of the 1 mile stretch of shoreline on the gravel site is still in its natural condition. Beaches and nearshore habitat are nourished by a natural supply of sediment from feeder bluffs that line more than 80% of the shoreline, along with more than 1,000 feet of overhanging trees. This site is a documented habitat that supports endangered species in Puget Sound: Chinook salmon, orca, bull trout. On Maury Island, we have a chance to permanently protect the longest remaining piece of undeveloped Puget Sound shoreline in King County. And that's why I've spent the last 13 years of my public life advocating for the preservation of the Maury Island shoreline. That is why I cannot possibly express to you how pleased I am to be standing here today with these partners and so many of you who've worked on this for so very long, to announce that we have made a breakthrough in the preservation of Maury Island. We have reached an historic agreement with the Cal Portland Company for the purchase of the Maury Island gravel site for permanent protection. When combined with the adjacent Maury Island Marine Park, the park that King County acquired nearly 20 years ago, the two sites will represent the largest public holding of protected marine shoreline in all of Puget Sound. And when linked with the Marine Park's trail network, it will create a 13-mile network of soft surface trails across 700 acres of public lands. It will connect Puget Sound on the east to Quartermaster Harbor on the west. It will protect 250 acres of pure madrone forests. The purchase price we negotiated was $36 million. That's on a property appraised at nearly $40 million. $14.5 million is presently set aside in the state budget from the ASARCO arsenic settlement funds. $19.1 million is proposed to be advanced at a maximum. $19.1 million is proposed to be advanced from King County Conservation Futures Funds. This is money that is set aside and by state law can only be used for the purchase and preservation of open space and resource lands. Now, we have other partners, and we expect that as much as $2 million will be paid into this through a private fundraising effort. And we have Jean Duvernoy of the Cascade Land Conservancy to speak to us in a few moments. And $2.4 million is coming through the value of extending the lease that Cal Portland has on another site on Maury Island to provide local sources of gravel for the people of Vashon and Maury Island. It's through the broad public and private partnership between different levels of government, private citizens, and nonprofit agencies that we have reached this realization, this momentous occasion. And we have many partners here to thank, and a number of them will address you in a moment. But I wanted to particularly thank now, before we move on, the person who negotiated this on behalf of King County, and that is our Director of Relations with All People, Sung Yang. And we have a few more steps ahead of us, including County Council passage and satisfying the due diligence that is typically associated with property transactions. But I have every reason to believe that given the cooperation of Cal Portland, myself, and the County Council, we will get to the finish line in time for the December 30th closing. And so I'd like now to introduce Ron Summers, Senior Vice President and General Manager of the Materials Division for the Cal Portland Company. Ron.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate being here. And first of all, we're pleased that we've reached an agreement with the help of Cascade Land Conservancy and King County on the sale of Maury Island site. It's been a long time we've been working on this, but it's also very important for everyone to understand that it still has several important details of work before we get the final agreement signed. We also are working on a short timeline that this project, the sale, must be completed before the end of the year to meet one of our business goals. We reached this agreement somewhat with mixed emotions. The sale of the site at this time makes sense for our business, and it meets the business objectives we set at the beginning of the discussions with the Cascade Land Conservancy and with King County. But the region still needs the available sources of high-quality aggregate for the growth of this market and for the future needs. While we agree to sell the Maury Island site, we continue to believe the proposal we first made more than 12 years ago is environmentally sound and a reasonable way to economically provide the sand and gravel that's needed for the region. We've always been open to selling the site, given the right circumstances. We will continue to work with the Land Conservancy and King County to reach a final agreement before the end of the year. Thank you.